Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Notion widgets using an easy method. Notion widgets are fantastic for bringing dynamic content directly into your workspace, making your pages more interactive and informative. This process is quite simple, involving just a few key steps that anyone can follow. You will learn how to quickly integrate these powerful tools to enhance your productivity and personalize your Notion experience. First, you will need to select a widget provider. There are numerous excellent third-party services specifically designed to create widgets that integrate seamlessly with Notion. Some widely used options include Indify, Widgetbox, and Aption. Each of these platforms provides a distinct range of widget types, from simple clocks to complex data visualizations, along with various customization features to suit your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. Once you have chosen your widget and customized it on the provider's site, the next step is to embed it into Notion. Simply copy the unique embed code or link provided by your widget service. Then, navigate to your desired Notion page, type a /, and select the embed option. Paste the copied link into the designated field, and Notion will automatically display your new widget. You can then easily resize it to fit perfectly. Finally, take some time to personalize your widget further. Most providers offer extensive customization options, allowing you to fine-tune colors, fonts, and the specific data displayed. Imagine having a live weather forecast, a motivational quote, or a progress bar for your projects, all directly on your Notion page. These widgets not only make your workspace more visually appealing, but also significantly boost your productivity by providing instant access to key information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.